jump. Ngoluri ngenalo mntana fela.
Shit.
Guys Katinyana, ne?
Okay.
Yeah, now.
Remind me his name.
Move.
Oh my God. Like I'm shy. Okay. Hello. So, njani?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Hayi nami ngiyaphila. Angeke mangone yawo. Ntokazi bengisahalela ukukwazi.
Ami.
Yo. So I owe you a rose for every birthday take, yabo. And I wanna go deep inside you like I'm trying to find a missing key. Singisho nobaba uyakhala endlini inkomo zivela amanyala yabo. Yeah, into engitshila yona ngifisa ngathi ungaba uNkulunkulu wami ngithanda zoba. One of those things yabo. But I'm a patient guy. Okwama ngisahalela ukukwazi yabo. Sithi ucabanga. Like isikhohle yabo lama concept mina ngizithandela wena like for real. Yabo. Give me a high five. My siyazana kanjani? Alright. Let me give you a rose for every birth to take. Indaba yabona nalendawo esikuyo ish. Yabo, ayikho grand. Maka there's a rose for you. And it suits you a lot. Sure. Uthanda that.